welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the post-event award session for the BFSI Leadership Awards 2021. I have with me Mr. Vishal Gupta, the CEO of Seclor. Hi, Vishal. Good evening.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you so much. To all our viewers that have tuned in, I just want to inform you that Seclor actually has won the award for the best data-centric security solutions for Microsoft 365 for the second time you're running at the BFSI Leadership Awards. So, Vishal, congratulations to you and the entire team at Seclor, firstly.
Thanks a lot. It's a big honor, and thanks a lot for having us. It speaks volumes to the kind of work that we are making to make cloud in general, specifically Office 365, a secure office in the cloud.
Excellent. So, Vishal, I would firstly, like to start by asking you, what are the biggest threats that enterprises actually face with regards to data security currently?
I think that the challenges in data security are that it is very difficult to track data as it is going around within the enterprise and to external agencies, to external applications and ungoverned clouds and so on. So just being able to track is becoming difficult, and then to secure and then be compliant with privacy regulations in different countries is becoming nearly impossible. And this is all complicated by the fact that most of us are working from home now. So it's a perfect storm that has come together in the last one and a half years.
Right. So, coming back to the entire data-centric security solutions for Microsoft 365 that Seclor has, could you share some examples with us as to how Seclor steps in to solve, the immediate data protection weakness in Microsoft 365?
I'll share two examples. One is a large financial services company, 100,000 plus employees spread across the world. Right. And the challenges that they were facing is that employees were going home. Everybody was working from home, especially in the last 1.5 years or so. Right. And combined with that, the enterprise had to comply to privacy regulations in 90 countries. Right now,
absolutely,
these two things are at odds with each other, because privacy regulations mean that the enterprise needs to have control. It should be able to delete, right to forget, all of that.
Right.
And doing this in combination to having every employee work from home and all data going home was a tough thing to implement.
Correct.
And of course, the enterprise was moving all its operations to the Microsoft cloud in this case.
Right.
The way Seclor came in and helped here is that we enabled the enterprise to embed security policies into the data itself. So, irrespective of whether the data is in the Microsoft cloud or in an employee's home device, security and privacy and compliance postures were being complied to.
Right.
The other case is a large manufacturing company which was sharing a lot of confidential data with external agencies, and again using the Microsoft cloud. And their first reaction was to not open up the Microsoft cloud for external participation. So it was largely an internal only measure, right? Only employees can use the cloud, and that to a large extent defeated the purpose of some of these technologies like OneDrive.
Absolutely.
Are great technologies to use for external collaboration. And with Seclor, because security was embedded into the data itself, now the enterprise was able to open up its cloud services for external collaboration, right? So you could have in a OneDrive folder, you could have external agents and internal employees all participating and working collaboratively without worrying about, again, security, privacy. In their case, export control regulations were also a big thing.
Absolutely. In fact, I completely agree with you on this particular point as well. Having said that, I also wanted to understand, enterprises in India and globally, they tend to take security for granted at times. So I just want to understand, why do enterprises actually, worry about data security so much?
I think it has become the biggest inhibitor to digital transformation. Enterprises want to go through digital transformation, customer self-service, employee self-service, and so on. And the biggest hurdle to that is security, privacy, and compliance.
Right.
And if that is taken off, then enterprises can fast track their journey to the digital transformation. And I think that's why security, specifically data security, has become such a big boardroom topic for some time now, and it's reached a crescendo now with so many breaches and and governments, enterprises, individuals all becoming more and more security aware.
Absolutely. In fact, I agree with you because enterprises in India are focusing a lot on digital transformation as of now. So having said this, I would like to ask you the last question. What makes Seclor so special, and why do enterprises choose Seclor as their data security partner in not only in India but all over the globe?
Thanks. I mean, that's a great question. I think if I had to pick one reason why enterprises pick Seclor over other options, including ones available within the Microsoft stack itself, it is
Right.
because of automation.
Absolutely.
What we've been able to do is automate away the need for end users or security administrators to participate in a security decision making, like which piece of information requires what kind of security and how does this security evolve as time progresses or the information reaches different stages and of the workflow. What we've been able to do very successfully is through integrations with DLP, CASBs, collaboration systems like emails and document management and so on. We've been able to automate away the need for end users and security administrators to get involved in the process, and that's reduced overheads associated with deploying using this class of technologies. So automation, I would say, is the single biggest reason for this.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. You heard it from Vishal Gupta himself. Automation is one of the biggest reasons why you should consider working with Seclor. All right, Vishal, thank you so much for your time. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is Vishal Gupta, the CEO of Seclor. They won the award for the best data-centric security solutions for Microsoft 365 for the second time in a row. Please be sure to check them out. They're an amazing company and a very approachable CEO as well. Thanks, Vishal. Thank you so much for your time. It was indeed a pleasure speaking to you.
Thanks a lot for having us. Thank you for the award and the recognition. Thank you.
Thank you so much.